Everybody I talk to today at a motorcycle show will tell you about the yellow YZ80 they had, or the Pee-wee they had. I mean, like Chad Reed started with a Pee-wee. Casey Stoner started on a Pee-wee. They're twist and go. They're based on the scooter originally. There's a sharp drive, there's no chain, they're safe, they can be regulated for speed, and and they're lightweight, so any little kid can get on and learn to ride those pretty quick and safely. Early on we saw that as safe as these things are, anything involved in it with a motor can potentially have risks involved. So we decided that right from the beginning we wanted to teach kids to ride. This is under control. This is a good thing, good healthy family thing for my kid to do. And before you knew it, like there was a real fraternity growing within all the parents. And I guess that's the base of a lot of the mini bike racing you see today. We love bikes ourselves, and you want to see kids on bikes. They pass them down through generations. You rarely get a second for sale in the second-hand papers. It's just an amazing cult bike.